Let's make chicken congee with Nutribaby+XL. So today we're making a 5-ingredient congee. So again, maximum nutrition, because we're looking for the least amount of work. So I have here some rice. I'm choosing to go with Japanese rice just because it's good. You can also use malakit, glutinous rice, or even just regular long grain rice. It's more of it's more of being able to make legit congees and Nutribaby. Right, so this is gonna go for 30 minutes, but during the last 10 minutes, we'll add in our carrots, our broccoli, and our chicken. So we'll have 3 different flavors for our congee. There. Right, so we hit the 12-minute mark. Lagay na natin the rest. Actually, give this a little mix. So yung order natin is we'll do chicken at the bottom because I really want this to be like cooked. Then the carrots. Like 1 whole carrot. And then last would be the broccoli. So we're just gonna steam it for 12 minutes. Tapos blender. And then mix it with the congee. So waiting time, 12 minutes. So the total cooking time of everything is like a total of 30 minutes. So dun sa 18 minutes na yan, the good thing, dun sa total 30 minutes na yan, this has an alarm. So if you want to do something else, you want to hang out with your kid, watch a show or something, set nyo na lang siya na 18 minutes, alarm siya. This preheats super fast. So tsaka nyo ilagay ulit, then set this to 12 minutes. So ganun siya kadali. And that's how much Baby Move cares about those parents who are like super busy and needs to like multitask from time to time. Right. It's done. To double check, pork tender, there you go. Perfect. So, quick transfer. So we're gonna do this by batch. Because if you do it all at the same time, may hirapan yung pag-blend. So we're just gonna do the carrots and broccoli first. Going for the lowest speed. And pause it for 10 seconds. So next, we add in our proteins, or our protein chicken. Overflow. So if you guys noticed, di ako napaso, it just came from the steaming basket. Kasi mainit pa siya and I was able to blend it. No worries, like even if I remove it, walang pressure na lumabas or walang pumutok na anything. There. So if your baby is 1 year, this is totally fine. But if 6 months, tas mag-introduce pa lang kayo ng gulay, you will need to go for a higher setting and make sure na parang mushy siya. Right. So here, we'll add some liquid first, from the rice, reduce the amount of liquid lang. Yan. So you can put a few. Right. So now I'm gonna add the rice. I'll go back to the lowest setting. Again, ako kasi gusto ko lang talaga, even for my kid, na-apply ko yung pagiging fan ko of textures, of different texture. So add your rice. And so add your rice. You can either just fold it in and serve, or go back to the lowest setting. Give it few pulses, mix together. There. You have your congee. But there's actually more veggies than rice, which is super good. So if you find this super thick, you can always just add in some stock, vegetable stock, chicken stock, or the water that we set aside a while ago. Make this into super nice congee, packed with nutrients and fiber for your kid. So this recipe, it's not just good for your kid. You can also make it for people who are feeling a bit under the weather. Ganun kaganda si Nutribaby+XL. Even if you're alone and you're not feeling well, all you have to do is cook your rice, steam some chicken, or add some veggies here and there, blend it, and you have your congee, salt and pepper na lang, and some egg. For sure, you'll feel so much better after. So this is definitely for everyone, not just for baby. Even if it's called Nutribaby, not just for baby.